If your projects take too long because of bad measurements, shaky setups, or messy cuts, we've got a few tools that can fix exactly those problems. But the problem is, most of these tools aren't sitting in some store. They're hiding in plain sight on Amazon, so make sure you watch till the end because these gadgets can actually level up your craft and save you a ton of time. All the mentioned tools links are in the description below. Number 30, Easy Angle Miter Jig. The Easy Angle Miter Jig makes cutting angles easier and more accurate. It removes the guesswork from your miter saw so you don't have to redo cuts or waste material. It's built strong, adjusts quickly, and helps you hit perfect angles with consistency. It saves time in the workshop and works well for both hobbyists and professionals who want accurate cuts every time. Number 29, Tolesa Blades. This isn't your average blade, it's really tough, made from titanium, and can easily cut through wood, metal, nails, and screws without much trouble. The wavy tooth design helps it cut cleaner, stay cooler, and last longer. You can use it for door frames, trim, flooring, or even wood that has nails in it. It feels faster and smoother to use, with less guesswork while cutting. Number 28, Oneida Dust Deputy. Ever feel like your vacuum loses suction after just a few minutes? The Dust Deputy 2.5 from Oneida Air Systems solves that by acting as a cyclone separator that captures around 99% of dust before it reaches your shop vac. That means fewer clogs, stronger airflow, and longer filter life. It basically turns your regular vacuum into a powerful dust collection system that works more efficiently. It helps reduce suction loss, cuts down on filter cleanups and replacements, and saves you time and money. Number 27, Olympia Tools Wood Workbench. Fed up with shaky tables and messy benches? The Olympia Wood Workbench gives you a strong, stable surface to work on without the wobble. It's made from solid acacia wood, has good storage space to keep your tools organized, and is super easy to set up. It feels heavy duty and ready for real work in your garage or workshop. It can hold up to 330 pounds and comes with all the hardware you need, so you can set it up and start using it right away. Number 26, Woodpecker Saddle Square. Corners better watch out because the Woodpecker folding saddle squares make marking angles fast and accurate. There's no guesswork or wobble. Whether you need 90 degrees, 45 degrees, or another angle, this aluminum tool lets you mark both faces at the same time with one quick placement. It helps you wrap lines cleanly and get precise joinery without mistakes. Number 25, Compact Router. Woodworkers, this compact router really changes the game. It comes with a 6.5 amp motor that reaches up to 32,000 revolutions per minute, so it cuts through wood smoothly and quickly. The rack and pinion depth control gives you precise adjustments for clean and accurate cuts every time. Dual LED lights help brighten your work area so you can see details clearly. You can also swap bases quickly and use the dust hood to keep mess and dust under control. Number 24, Face Frame Clamps. Face frame cabinet clamps are designed to make cabinet installation faster and more accurate. They let you tighten, align, pre-drill, and secure cabinet frames without having to remove or constantly readjust the clamp. They fit styles up to 1.5 inches thick with an opening capacity of about 2 to 4.5 inches. The jaws are around 2.25 inches wide and provide strong clamping force between 300 and 600 pounds. Number 23, Woodpecker's Paolini Pocket. Measure twice and cut once. That rule makes sure you get it right the first time. The Paolini Pocket rule makes measuring easier with smooth sliding scales, built-in lock stops, and clear markings. It comes in aluminum or stainless steel and supports both inches and metric, giving you accuracy and flexibility in one compact tool you can carry in your pocket. The included stop slides easily along the rule and locks in place for repetitive measurements on multiple boards. Number 22, Prexiso Laser Level. This angle tool combines a digital level, angle meter, and laser line in one compact device. It gives you accurate readings in degrees, percent, millimeters, or inches, making it useful for different types of projects. It also has a magnetic base, auto reverse display, and laser guided lines to make leveling, framing, and other home tasks easier and more precise. Number 21, Multi-Angle Drill Guide. This portable drill guide helps you drill straight and accurate holes every time. It adjusts from 0 to 60 degrees and locks in your angle so you can work with better control and precision. It works on on wood, metal, and even round materials, making it versatile for different projects. The depth stop ring also helps keep your drilling depth consistent, especially when you need to drill multiple blind holes. Number 20. Dual Spindle Dowel Joiner. The Dual Spindle Dowel Joiner comes with an adjustable tilt fence that locks anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees, so you can create accurate and reliable angled joints. It supports both single and double drilling for faster and more precise joint work. You can also adjust the drill depth up to 38 millimeters to match your project needs. Number 19. Reekon M1 Caliber Tool. This digital measuring tool clamps onto most saw fences and shows accurate readings on a backlit LCD screen as your material slides under its wheel. It supports both inch and metric units and works with different saws for miter, bevel, compound, and straight cuts. It helps you measure and cut up to 3 times faster without needing a tape measure. By using modern technology and smart design, it makes cutting stock materials quicker and more accurate compared to traditional measuring methods. Number 18. CA Glue Activator. The CA Glue with Activator gives you a fast, strong, and professional bond for both industrial and DIY projects. It cures in just 5 to 12 seconds when you use the activator, and up to 2 minutes without it. The aerosol activator sprays as a fine mist for clean and controlled application, while the thick glue formula helps prevent mess and gives you precise results. Number 17. Shelf Pin Jig. The Shelf Pin Jig costs $53 and helps you drill 11 shelf pin holes in one pass, making shelf installation faster and more accurate. It comes with a strong canvas storage bag, 1/4 inch and 5mm drill bits, and matching bushings that are easy to identify. You can adjust the hole distance from the edge to 37mm, 50mm, or 64mm, so it works for different shelf designs like bookshelves and kitchen cabinets. It's a simple tool that saves time and improves precision when installing shelves. Number 16. Double-sided woodworking tape. It comes with an anti-curling backing, so it's easy to handle and apply without it bending or sticking to itself. It has strong industrial-grade adhesive that holds tightly and resists shear force, but it doesn't leave residue or damage wood surfaces when removed. The tape also has strong tensile strength, making it reliable for CNC router work and other woodworking projects. It can handle high rotational speeds while keeping materials securely in place, which makes it a trusted choice. Number 15. Wood Carving Kit. The Wood Carving Kit costs $49 and includes 8 premium sharpening knives, 4 detailed carving knives, a tracing kit, and cut-resistant gloves for safer work. Each tool has an ergonomic walnut handle that feels comfortable during long carving sessions. The blades are made from razor-sharp high-carbon steel, carefully honed for strong edge performance and long-lasting sharpness. Number 14. Trend EasyScribe. This versatile scribing tool works on doors, worktops, skirting, flooring, panels, tiling, and many other surfaces. It costs $31 and comes with an articulated arm that adjusts from 0.04 to 1.57 inches for different offsets. It also has a 0.02-inch guide plate for tight gaps, a flat base for better stability, and a 0.03-inch pencil line for more accurate marking. Number 13. Mirka Random Orbital Sander. Here's a powerful random orbit sander built for both small and large sanding jobs. It uses a strong brushless motor that gives smooth and efficient performance. It has a 5-inch sanding pad with a 5mm orbit, which makes it a good balance between fast material removal and fine finishing. It runs on 110 volts, weighs only 2.2 pounds, and comes with variable speed control and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect it to the Mirka app for extra control and monitoring. Number 12. Microjig Clamping Kit. This CNC clamping kit keeps your materials firmly in place during machining with edge, ring, ramp, and U-pad clamps that hold parts securely from different angles. It works as a complete work-holding system and covers most setup needs for CNC machines. It fits most benchtop CNC machines across different brands and models, making it a useful addition to your tool setup. The clamps are easy to adjust and position quickly without extra tools, helping you save time and work more efficiently. Number 11. Galax Oscillating Multi-Tool. This oscillating multi-tool is a strong and handy tool for workshops and home projects. It can cut, sand, scrape, and grind, even in tight or hard-to-reach areas. The quick change system makes it easy to swap accessories without wasting time, and the variable speed control lets you adjust power for better accuracy. Number 10. NanoBlade Saw. Now we have a mini cordless saw that makes cutting wood and plastic much easier and more convenient. It's lightweight and easy to handle, so you can use it comfortably for different projects without feeling heavy or bulky. With smart blade technology, it delivers smooth, clean cuts with less vibration and better control. You usually don't need clamps, and even plunge cuts feel simple to make. Number 9. FlipOut Power Screwdriver. Check out the FlipOut by Speedhex, a rechargeable screwdriver that bends and twists to reach tight spots where regular tools just can't fit. It rotates 360 degrees and locks into multiple positions, so you can adjust it for different angles and awkward spaces. It's cordless, powerful, and comes with a built-in LED light to help you see clearly while working. Number 8. Easework Staple Gun. This pneumatic staple gun works with an air compressor and can easily heavy-duty stapling tasks. Performance-wise, it can fire over 200 staples per minute with a very low jam rate. The open aluminum magazine makes it easy to clear jams quickly. It's built to last with a tested lifespan of over 300,000 shots, making it durable enough for demanding professional jobs. Number 7. Edge Banding Iron. This LCD edge banding iron makes applying edge tape smoother and more controlled. It has an LCD temperature display, so you can set the right heat for better adhesion and cleaner results. The design helps you reach tight corners easily, and the included cotton sock protects the surface from scratches while you work. Number 6. Cabinet Mounting Jig. This jig makes installing handles, knobs, and hinges much easier by helping you mark and drill with accurate alignment every time. It removes the guesswork and reduces the chance of drilling mistakes, so you get clean and professional results. The adjustable measurements make it flexible for different cabinet styles and sizes, saving time while keeping your hardware placement consistent and precise. Number 5. Bionic Adjustable Wrench. This tool replaces 14 different wrenches in one and makes tightening or loosening bolts much easier. The Bionic wrench just needs a squeeze, and it automatically grips bolts with 6-sided pressure, so there's less chance of stripping or damaging them. You don't have to guess the size, and it even works safely on softer materials like copper or plastic. Number 4. Flattening Tool. The Sacker chamfer plane is a small but powerful tool that helps smooth, shape, and clean up wood in seconds. It comes with adjustable depth, razor-sharp carbon steel blades, and built-in leveling bubbles to help you stay accurate while working. It makes creating clean chamfered edges quick and simple without extra effort. Number 3. Stair Tread Template Tool. Crooked stairs, awkward corners, and tape measures that feel unreliable can make projects frustrating. This Stair Tread Template Tool helps you get accurate fits without the hassle. It's adjustable up to 60 inches and made from laser-marked aluminum for clear measurements and durability. The smooth scribers make tracing easy, so you can simply trace the shape, cut the material, and install it. Number 2. InstaGauge Block. Speed up your woodworking setup with the Blockcision Gauge Block set. It helps you set the height of your fence, blades, and router bits in seconds instead of wasting time measuring over and over. The set includes 16 precision setup blocks, including the Easy Block, so you can quickly adjust your cuts with accuracy. What makes it special is that every single block has ruler markings, not just one. That means you can measure on the go without needing extra tools. Number 1. Franklin Stud Finder. Ever start drilling into a wall and suddenly hit empty space or worse, a live wire? The Franklin Pro Sensor M150 helps you avoid that by finding studs and showing the full width of the stud instead of just a small spot. It uses 9 built-in sensors for more accurate detection, so there's no guessing or constant false alarms. It also alerts you if it detects live electrical wires, keeping you safer before you start drilling. That's it for today's woodworking tools. Let me know in the comments which one caught your attention. If you enjoy seeing tools and gear like this, feel free to subscribe and turn on notifications for more. More content and product highlights are coming soon.